Ang impeachment officer, impeachment official, of course, si VP Sara as Vice President, malinaw yun. But syempre, kailangan din tingnan yung mga joint na mga mga dealings and joint na mga transaction nila, joint nila na pag-aari. Kasi nga, conjugal ito, mag-asawa sila. Wala naman tayong impormasyon na hindi na sila mag-asawa. Wala naman tayong impormasyon na na-annul na yung marriage nila. Wala tayong impormasyon na meron silang legal separation. Mag-asawa po sila and therefore conjugal ang mga assets na yan. So pwedeng tignan.
Kumbaga po, pwede kasing itago doon sa private na asawa kung private person na asawa.
That's another thing. Tama ka. Yes. Pwede kasing itago. Pwede kasing itago sa asawa as a private dahil nga private citizen or private person siya. Pero but it does not immunize her kasi nga conjugal yan. Yes.
Well, he is married to the vice president, and they're under the laws that we have in the country. Their properties are communal in nature. So there should be every reason to look into the properties of both spouses. At the same time, kailangan din natin makita yung, based on what was alleged in the complaint, kung ano man talaga yung basis for those claims of unexplained wealth. Yun kaya ako, we will answer those allegations in the proper forum. But from where we stand, ginagawa lang naman namin yung aming tungkulin bilang Committee on Justice sa ilalim ng impeachment process.